Hi MTV Cribs. I'm sorry, I had to make that joke.
Hi.
Hi there.
Hi.
Hi everyone, it's Eric Kim.
Hi, I'm Kristen Chamber. I'm an associate editor with NYT Cooking, and my favorite Thanksgiving tip, the thing that I think is actually super smart to do, is that you double or triple the amount of pie dough that you make. It takes just a couple of extra seconds. Then you can tuck that pie dough into the freezer and pull it out and defrost it when you're ready to use it. Then you can use that for another pie, make a galette, or you can even turn it into something savory and use it as a base for a dinner. You can add chicken, you can add leftovers, you can honestly just treat it like a fancy pizza. And it's just easy and elegant and takes just a couple of extra seconds of foresight.
Hi everyone, it's Eric Kim, and my Thanksgiving tip is to cook your entire meal at one temperature. Curate a menu that can be made at 350 degrees. I just really think that is a perfect temperature for turkey, for various casseroles. You can even roast vegetables at 350. I have a whole menu actually that is made at 350 degrees, including the turkey. Leaving that part of the equation out of it, the whole gymnastics and the musical chairs of all the dishes that have to come out and go back in at different temperatures. I just think you'll save yourself so much time and energy and stress. And I think when the cooking is less stressful, the food just comes out better.
Hi, I'm Becky. I am a social editor. The day of pressure of cooking and oven space and stovetop space and timelines, it's so much harder when you haven't made any of the dishes before. I think this is true for all entertaining and dinner parties. I would try to not make too many things that you haven't already made before. Generally in my family, we have turkey that we always make and a few sides we always make, and stuffing is always the same. So I sort of have a good idea of how that's gonna go, and only have a couple wild cards.
I'm Kim Guggenheim. I'm a photo editor at NYT Cooking. I like to do as much of my Thanksgiving prep the day before as I can. And that includes taking out all the baking dishes, serving platters, everything I'm gonna use for the meal, put it across the dining room table, and I label each dish with Post-its so I know what's going where. And it just makes me feel much more organized as I plan for the holiday.
Hi, I'm Kasha. I'm a social media editor for NYT Cooking, and I have a couple of Thanksgiving tips. The first is take the shortcuts. Buy the pre-made pie or the pie crust. You don't have to make a whole entire pie. Buy the pre-cut butternut squash chunks. I don't think anyone should be butchering a butternut squash on the night of Thanksgiving. It just doesn't seem like the type of energy you need to bring into an already stressful situation. People are just coming to hang out and eat some good food and see you, and probably see your dog if you have one. Case in point.
Hi there, my name is Vaughn. I'm a video producer for NYT Cooking. I think that because we've got a little bit of a bigger crowd this year, I'm gonna be baking more. I'm gonna be doing more desserts, I'm gonna be doing more pies. And my big tip really is you set yourself up for success by baking your pies a day ahead of time. Most desserts, especially most pies, can actually be baked the day before so that you're not front-loading the beginning of Thanksgiving Day or rushing at the end to get those pies done. Happy baking, happy Thanksgiving, and gobble gobble.
Hi, my name is Sarah Bonesteel. My Thanksgiving tip is to buck tradition. If you are throwing your own Thanksgiving, you don't need to make a pumpkin pie. You don't need to make an apple pie if you don't want to. I usually make sour cherry pie. I buy my sour cherries at the farmer's market in the middle of the summer. I pack them in sugar and freeze them and pull them out to make a beautiful pie.
Hello, my name is Victoria Peterson and I'm the reporting fellow on the food desk. Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays, and it's also a really good opportunity to break out some creative sewing skills. I like to make homemade cloth napkins. I use these fat quarters from quilting shops, and I just come home and I cut them into a square, and then I sew along the sides and I hem it. You can do some fancier corner hems, but you can do it really simple. Or you can even, if you have nice linen, you can just fray the edges and it'll look really elegant on your Thanksgiving table. And it's also a great way to reduce waste this holiday.
Hi, my name is Gabriella. I'm a video producer here at NYT Cooking, and my Thanksgiving tip is to save those bones from your turkey to turn them into stock or broth for later, for soups down the line. Thanksgiving can be kind of expensive and it also produces a lot of waste. So it's a really good way to stretch out all the ingredients that you're buying for this one meal. You can do the same for vegetables. Any like vegetable scraps that you have from Thanksgiving dinner, you can throw those in the freezer. I do that with my compost, and then eventually take everything, put them in a big pot, cover it with water, let it simmer for hours and hours until your house smells amazing. It's just a really good way to stretch out all of the food that you're buying.
Hi, I'm Margot Lasky. I'm a senior staff editor at NYT Cooking, and my genius hack for Thanksgiving is to go out to eat. I know it makes me sound like a total Grinch, but a few years ago, we started doing it when my in-laws are in town with my 2 little kids, and I have to say it's like my new favorite thing. I feel a little guilty saying that because I know I'm a food editor, and I love to cook, and I love to cook the meal. There are no dishes. We kind of have a small kitchen. We don't really have a dining room. And then I always make a turkey breast so that we have turkey leftovers, and then I make a couple of pies just because I like to make pies. So for now, at this point in my life, going out is like the brilliant trick.
About to get corny. I am so thankful for everyone in New York who has made this year feel so much safer. Cut to me watching the marathon, sobbing about what a monumental year this has been for the city.
I'm really thankful for my dog, for my family, and for like having a great partner. It's cool.
I'm really grateful for the community that I have around me, my friends and my family. I'm also really, really grateful for nature, and the moments that I've had to get away and just be surrounded by trees have been extremely, extremely meaningful for me. So I'm really, really grateful that I've had the opportunity to foster a rekindled love for being outside.
I am very thankful that my 3-year-old son is still healthy.
What I'm most thankful for this year is new friends that I've met, and I'm going to be spending the holiday with them.
Gosh, it's been one hell of a year. What can I say? I am most thankful for vaccinations, especially vaccinations for my kids who are 7 and 9. It's like, sigh of relief.
There's so much to be thankful for this year. I'm thankful for a little bit of normalcy. I'm also thankful for the opportunity to go home and to have Thanksgiving as we kind of normally have it, surrounded by not only my immediate family, but some extended family as well. It's gonna be really fun.
Hi, sorry, I forgot to say what I'm thankful for, and it's this guy. Can you tell I'm a little bit obsessed with him? It makes me go outside when I really don't feel like it. I'm just very grateful for him. I'm grateful for you. He's grateful for chicken. So.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.